You'll never make salad the same way again after this recipe. We start by slicing about 100 grams of green cabbage. Set it aside on a plate. Then 100 grams of red cabbage. Set them aside with the green cabbage. Now grate a whole carrot. Place it on the plate. Take 3 apples, cut them into smaller pieces. And then into very thin strips like this. Now we'll squeeze a lemon over the apples. Add them to the other ingredients and sprinkle parsley and chives to taste. Now in a bowl we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil, 50 milliliters of lemon juice, a tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste, and a tablespoon of mustard. Mix well to combine. Now just pour this dressing. Stir until everything is well coated. And that's it. Our refreshing and flavorful salad is ready. Easy to make, with simple ingredients and an irresistible dressing that makes all the difference. If you like this tip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more salad tips like this one. Comment below how you would customize this salad. See you next time and take care.